that thing swinging. Like, come on now. Come on, hair. Come on. What? Hairvivi. Come on. I'm gonna break this video up into showing y'all how I install the wig. Kind of like a get ready with me hair edition. I am gonna insert a clip of how the hair came once I received it. It was packaged so nice, y'all. Like, this packaging was so nice. So this is how the wig is looking. I'm not gonna put any makeup in the part area because I feel like I just don't need none, because it comes with like this little, I don't know, like this little fabric that's right here. So it definitely looked really realistic. So I'm gonna just put it on so y'all can see how it's looking. Oh, she cute. Hold on. Y'all see that? Now this hairline is one of the best hairlines that I have seen on a wig, like, period. Like, they did their thing with this wig here, because this hairline looks so good straight out of the box. I didn't do any plucking to this hair, y'all. This is just straight out the pack, straight out the box. No tweaking, no plucking, no nothing. Y'all see that? It looks so natural. Like, I've never got a wig like this to where it was already kind of like really natural looking. So I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all how I lay this wig. I'm gonna go ahead and lay it. And then if I feel like I need to pluck it some more, because I do feel like I need to run my, y'all see how it's kind of like bumpy right here? So I feel like I need to run my straight comb through it. So I'm gonna run my hot comb through it and kind of just get it to where it's, you know, nice and sleek and flat. Y'all know I love me some inches. So this style is just different for me. So I don't know, I feel like some cute bangs would be nice, but who about to try and cut some bangs? I ain't even about to play with y'all like that. I think we'll make it work though, either with the side part. We can either do a side part or we can do a middle part. I feel like these one of them wigs where you can just kind of like take your hair and just throw it. I'm just about to let y'all know right now, I completely transformed this wig, y'all. So y'all seen it before. So here's the after. I couldn't record everything because y'all, I ain't gonna even lie, I didn't even know what I was doing for real. So I ain't want to record it, and I wanted to try it out first to see how it looks. So y'all about to see with me how it looks on my head once I put it on. To secure this wig to my head, I'm kind of thinking I may not need Got2b or any type of glue, because when I tell y'all, this wig fits so perfect. Like, the fit of this wig is everything, y'all. It matches my head perfectly. I literally had to cut just a little bit of the sides off. It fits perfect. So let me stop looking crazy, because y'all probably like, okay sis, pull that wig down. They have a special type of adjustable strap thing right here. So you literally just adjust it. You can kind of pull it to make it tighter, or you can pull it that way to make it looser. So I'm just gonna pull that down, just like that. So I'm gonna take this comb right here, plus the adjustable strap, and just go ahead and secure it. Adjust it like that. I'm gonna pull it back. Y'all probably like, okay, is she about to pull this wig back? And it's already looking like, y'all. Hold on. I just gotta have a little moment to myself. Like, sis, y'all can't tell me I'm not getting better at these wigs. Y'all, I've been doing my thing. Like, when I tell y'all, I just be looking at hairlines and I be like, okay, bet. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do like a little piece back in the middle. I don't know if y'all know, I don't know if that's considered a half up, half down, but that's what I'm gonna be doing. Like I said, this hair is from Hairvivi. This is my first time trying their wigs, y'all. And when I tell y'all, hands down, I am impressed. Like, this wig is made so nice. This hairline is everything. Everything about this wig is just amazing, y'all. I'm loving it. I am loving it. So this is their bob unit. I think I told y'all that already, but this is their bob unit. So what I'm going to do before I spray this, I am going to put 2 rubber bands on it to secure it. So that way I can start working on my baby hairs. But what I'm going to do first is I'm going to take some of this. I went ahead and plucked just a little bit more of that hairline because I felt like it was coming too far up. I did go and get my spritz. So what I'm going to do is, because I think I am ready to go ahead and set this in place so I can put me a little scarf on or something. Let me go ahead and mold it so that way I can do my baby hairs and stuff. So with this part, y'all, when I tell y'all I'm just winging it, I don't know what I'm doing. So I'm just going to gather this. I'm literally doing it exactly how I do my real hair. So I'm going to just take a little rubber band, 2 little rubber bands, and go ahead and secure it in place. So I'm just taking it, I'm making it really, really tight. So I'm just going around it. I think I'm gonna stop right there and actually use this clip again because I don't need no hair from the back trying to go in. I'm trying to make this sleek. Okay. And I'm just holding it really, really tight. Okay. So right there is good. And then I'm just going to make sure it's in the middle. I'm going to just secure it just like that. Y'all, when I tell y'all this bring back memories, this is literally how I used to wear my hair in. This is how I used to wear my hair in high school. This is how I used to wear my hair all the time. I still wear it like this sometimes if I'm wearing my natural hair. But y'all, I really feel like I did this. Like, I ain't even done yet. I ain't put nothing, no makeup, nothing under this wig. Y'all, listen, I didn't put no makeup under this wig. This is just scalp, period. Hairvivi just be serving scalp. Y'all, look at this. This is before me flat ironing, and it looks this good. Literally looks that good. All right, so the wig is secured in the back, so I'm gonna go ahead. I'm probably gonna have to secure it in the front. At first I wasn't, but I'm probably gonna have to. Just so that way it can, you know, all go together. The other mirror, because I'm the type of person that if something looking too good to be true, then I gotta go see in the other mirror. Like, the other mirror is kind of like natural light, so it ain't gonna lie to me, because what I'm seeing in this mirror, I'm feeling like, okay, like, why is you not out here making a bag off doing hair? And that's just period. But really, it ain't even me, it's this wig. It really is this wig. All right, y'all, so this is how my hair is looking. I did clean it up a little bit before I did my makeup, because I didn't want all that got to be and stuff, because it had to dry it up, y'all, and I hate how it dry up and it be so messy. So what I'm about to do is I'm about to take my flat iron and I'm just about to run it through, you know, just to get it bone straight, because it is a little bent. I'm just like, look at that. Y'all see that swinging? Look at that. Like, I can't make this up. This quality is amazing. Like, I can't compare this wig to nothing. It's just that good. Like, I've never had a wig that looked so natural like this. Granted, I did pluck this wig, but like I said, I didn't have to do too much, and that's what I like. So for this wig to be so full, it's so bouncy, it don't feel weighed down. This ain't got no smell, y'all. Like, I could just go on about this hair. So this is how I usually cut my baby hairs. I usually take my pinky, because I kind of do it like right here. I start a little bit longer, so I kind of do it like right under that right there. Don't ask me why, y'all. I just... Okay, so probably about right here. I don't know why I do that. It's just kind of like a little gauge. It kind of gives me a little guide of where I actually want to have my baby hairs at. Like I said, I do go a little bit longer than longer at first, so that way I can kind of just play around with them. And I don't like my baby hairs crunchy, and they definitely giving very much so crunchy. So I'm gonna have to soften them up with some mousse. So right there is good. So now I'm about to go ahead and lay my baby hairs. I usually take my finger, and once I know, because I feel like they're not too thick, so I'm gonna go ahead and take my Got to Be spray, and I'm gonna just spray it. Just kind of spray it in place. I don't use too much, because like I said, I don't like for mine to be crispy. So I'm just gonna take it. Y'all see how it's still kind of like long still? I feel like I am gonna have to cut them a little bit more. All right, y'all, so I had to go fix my baby hairs. The camera cut off. I tried to do it on camera, but it just wasn't working out, y'all. So this is the finished results, y'all. Y'all gotta let me know what y'all think about this hair on me, y'all. When I tell y'all, I done tried this hairstyle probably like twice on a wig, and it's never worked out. Never. So the fact that it looks this good, in my opinion, like, I feel like I did a good ass job. So y'all gotta have to let me know. Like, let me know. Keep it real with me in the comments. Let me know how I did. This style was inspired by, like I said, how I used to wear my natural hair. Sometimes I still do wear my natural hair like that, but this hair, now that I got me a wig, baby, I ain't gonna have to worry about none of that. Like, when I tell y'all, I know this wig lasts a long time because I've been messing with this hair, plucking, doing all of this. I done went from the side to this side to the middle, all of that. I done took my hot comb through it, my flat iron through it. I ain't had no issues with this hair. I know this hair is gonna last for a long time just because the quality is just, it's just that. Like, it's everything. Like, I'm telling y'all, I ain't never had no hair like this before. Like, y'all already know. I'm gonna tell y'all, I'm gonna keep it a buck with y'all. So now I am gonna do a 360 so y'all can see how my hair is looking in the back. And I can't even see in the back, so y'all gonna have to tell me. Hopefully it's looking all right. So that's how it's looking. So yeah, that's from the side. Cute, cute. That's from the other side. Cute. I know y'all see this swing. I know y'all see that thing swing. I can't even speak. I know y'all see that thing swinging. Like, come on now. Come on, hair. Come on. What? Hairvivi. Come on. Yo. I didn't have no plan of how I was going to do this hair. But I remember, I'm like, okay, I need to switch my look up. Brian loved when I have my natural hair in. I was like, I'm not going to do my natural hair. What can I do? I want me a natural style. And I feel like this it here. This it here, y'all. So I'm starting to know y'all right. Hairvivi got me right. One thing I am going to do before I call Brian in here, y'all, because I got to get his, I got to see what he think about this hair, y'all. Especially because it kind of reminds, it kind of is similar to how I used to wear my hair like back in high school, like when we first met. So I'm ready to see what he gonna say. I'm so ready to see what he gonna say. So I'm just taking my flat iron right here so that way it can kind of stay up, and then I just put some hairspray on it. So y'all gonna have to tell me what y'all think about this hairstyle. Like, how did I do for this? Like I said, I tried this hairstyle on like 2 different wigs and it was a no. It was a no. I don't know if it was the wigs or if it was me, but I feel like I did my thing on this, period. So yeah, so I do like my hair to look a little bit more fuller. That's why I'm kind of like fluffing it out. I ain't trying to do the little elementary school fan. I ain't trying to do that. I just want it to look, you know, I want it to look full, because when people be getting like the little middle piece, like the little middle part piece in the middle, like it'd be like a full ponytail, but I still want it to look like it's growing up my scalp, period. Okay, so let me explain. Okay, so I ain't did no wig like this before. I ain't even gonna say too much. Okay, I'm just gonna let you talk. What you think?
Let me examine it. Oh, okay, I gotta say you slayed it. Okay.
I know you ain't seen me with short hair in a minute.
Yeah, it's been a little minute.
It's been a little minute.
Oh, wow. Okay. See, I like it. Oh, man. See, it looked like it's yours. You see what I'm saying? I didn't know it was like I thought it was like the headband type thing, but I see that it looked like it came from your scalp.
Okay,
I like
scalp,
that.
cervix, scalp. Okay.
I give this hairstyle a 10 out of 10. I like how it ain't frizzy. I don't like nothing. No shedding going on.
It's so soft. Like, run your hands through it.
That's what I'm saying. Ain't no tangles.
Baby, this butter. This butter soft. So 10 out of 10 for you. So I feel like I did my thing. So now I just need y'all to comment below. Let me know. Y'all keep it real with me now. Y'all know Brian don't be knowing about no hair. He getting a little better.
I know about him.
You know about hair. But still, I'm gonna need y'all to tell me in the comments. Y'all either hype me up or let me know, sis, that ain't it. That ain't cute, sis. Y'all, you gonna have to change something. Make sure y'all hit the subscribe button. Make sure y'all check out Hairvivi. Their hair is, y'all, I've already rambled about their hair. Y'all need to go check out their wigs, check out their bundles, check them out. All the links will be in the description box, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Peace.